Indirect actuation of cylinder. In this case, the direction control valve is operated by another button operated direction control valve. The advantage is that small manual force is enough to operate the pilot valve, which in turn actuates a large size direction control valve. Hence, a large size cylinder can be actuated. Since the cylinder actuation takes place due to the indirect operation of the direction control valve, it is termed indirect actuation. A typical pneumatic circuit with the use of two 3 by 2 valves for the indirect actuation of a single acting cylinder is as shown in figure. It has a spring-centered single-acting cylinder connected through a three-position two-way pilot-operated direction control valve. This valve, in turn, is operated through a push-button 3 by 2 direction control valve. This push-button valve is indirectly actuates the cylinder through the direction control valve. Z pilot valves in operation when the 3 by 2 pulse button valve is operated. It allows a low pressure air to be directed to the main direction control valve spool operation. When the spool in the valve operates the spool, the high pressure air line is connected to the cylinder port A. This causes the extension of the cylinder. When the push button is released, the pilot valve returns, this closing the low pressure line and opening the exhaust. Due to this, the spool valve under spring pressure closes the high pressure line and opens up the exhaust port. Because of this, the cylinder retracts under spring pressure. Flow control valve. In pneumatic system, flow control valve are used to reduce the flow rate of air in the line and in return control the speed of the actuator. In fact, a flow control valve acts as a restriction to the flow of air by the reduced area of opening. The opening can be varied, hence the flow rate can also be varied. Most flow control valves are adjustable type so that the flow rate can be manipulated to suit the pneumatic operations. The graphical symbols for a flow control valve: fixed area, variable area or adjustable, and flow control valve with a bypass return check valve. First one fixed area type, second one adjustable area type, and third one way check valve type. Speed control of cylinder using flow control valve. The actuation speed of a cylinder can be controlled with the use of flow control valves. The flow control valve regulates the flow rate of air in a pneumatic line and hence controls the actuation speed. The speed control is possible either by regulating the air at the inlet port while actuation or at the outlet port. These are termed as supply air throttling and return air throttling, equivalent of meter in and meter out controls respectively in hydraulic power system.